Your air conditioning and climate control systems create the perfect temperature in your car, helping you to stay cool and comfortable. But the system can lose up to 10% of its gas each year, which, unless replaced, can lead to increased fuel consumption as it becomes less efficient. Bacterial and fungal contamination can also build up, leading to poor airflow and bad smells. Volkswagen recommends that your air conditioning system should be cleaned every 12 months and fully serviced every 2 years. Our Volkswagen-trained technicians know your car inside and out. They are able to drain and recharge the system, removing any bacteria and bad odors. They'll check the hoses, filters, belts and connections and make sure the compressor and condenser are working correctly. If left unchecked, it could eventually lead to an expensive repair. Ask one of our service team about our fixed-price air conditioning service. You'll find all our fixed prices extremely competitive, or you might want to consider the Parkway Service Plan, which allows you to spread the cost of your servicing. It includes the collection and delivery of your vehicle or use of a courtesy car. Free safety checks, fluid and oil top-ups, free diagnostics and bulb replacements are also included. There are no nasty surprises either, as prices are frozen all year round. Ask us for full details of the Parkway Service Plan, plus terms and conditions. Booking your car in for a service at Parkway is simple. Just give the service department a call or book in online. All the details are on our website. We look forward to welcoming you at Parkway Volkswagen.